WSAV and community partner the Georgia Ports Authority present Weatherwise Kids.
Hi, my name is Reese. I'm a first grader, Kessler Eagles. My question is, how do showers and thunderstorms form?
Well, Reese, when clouds form and rain develops, there's something that's causing the air to rise, and there are several mechanisms to get that to happen. Usually when you get a strong line of showers and thunderstorms, it forms along a storm system or cold front. Here's how it happens. Cold fronts and storm systems create rainfall by forcing large amounts of warmer and moist air out ahead of the front or storm to rise. When the air goes up, it can be over a very big area, as big as hundreds of miles, like along this cold front. Once the rising air cools off, it'll become a cloud. Then rain could fall or a thunderstorm may develop. Thanks for the question, Reese.